We structure our research priorities for control room of the future research in 4 key areas. Data, which looks at operational data such as SCADA, high-speed recording and models. We look at applications and processes, which is concerned with operational technology applications, software, IT such as weather, forecasting, etc. Human factors, which thinks about how does the human process information, how are application visualizations designed to help them make decisions, as well as training. And something we're more interested in these days is recruiting and retaining operators for the future system. And finally, the 4th pillar is on buildings and equipment for the control room. How do we design a room, lay out a room, have desk technology, visualization technology, for the human to interact with the operational systems.